Majesty Otunfuo, it's my pleasure to present to you a son of yours, a son of the soil, who, very angry at the way the world views Africa, has decided on a path to tell the true story of Africa, the most often neglected path, the path of progress and of great peace. Ladies and gentlemen, you know him, you love him, and certainly can't do without him. Wode Maya is in the building. Please, a round of applause for the annoying village boy. When Donald Trump took a swipe at Lesotho, it was this young man who told a very compelling narrative about Lesotho. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks to his brilliance and his efforts, today that video in less than 4 months has come near about 1.5 billion views. A round of applause for Wode Maya. And such is the talent of Wode Maya right here in Ghana, telling the African story. And such is Wode Maya is the talent shown right here in Ghana, telling the African story. Wode Maya.